Yes, good evening to everybody. Welcome to the today class of the Law of Insurance. And today that I told you that I am going to deal the economic growth, the role played by the insurance sector. Yes, please read what I posted on the screen. Anyone can unmute and read. Whether you could see the
Good evening, sir.
good evening, please
Sir,
read.
insurance is an important part in the financial sector that contributes significantly to the economy of a country. Insurance market contributes to the economic growth as a financial intermediary and also helps in managing risk more eff- effectively. I Sir, his piece of research work made an attempt to example the relationship between insurance and economic in India. Growth in India, considering the state level data and contributing to the existing the literature. The data is collected for 25 states of India and covers the time period for 2000 to 2015. Indigenous growth model with a modified Cobb Duff glass production function is used. This result implies that the insurance, sir, I cannot read, sir. This
Okay.
letters are
When
very
the
small, sir.
difficulty is there, why you could not give me the feedback? I want to see that how far that you could make it. That's why I did not interrupt you in the middle. So the purpose of this is the insurance is an important part in the financial sector that contribute to the significantly to the economy of the country. How? I told you. Because every insurer pays the amount to the insured. Every insured pay the amount to the insurer, and the insurer pull up the amount and will keep it with him, and he will not make it to stagnate over there, and the insurer will give that money to the investor to invest for the to the interest also. So that's why the money will be rotated. Then when the investment is given for the financial given to the industry will be established, and there is the economic growth would be there because of the employment, and the GDP will be increased. So there is a directly link with one to another. So, oh, yeah, yeah. In this way, it will be a boon to the public. So, the relationship between the physical capital and economic growth indicates that more investment should be made on the policies of infrastructure like health facilities, road, etc. This reserve. So, in this way, the economic growth will be there. It is directly connected to the insurance. Now, let us see that what is the importance of insurance. We already dealt it. Let us again repeat. The world we live in is full of uncertainties and risks. Individuals, families, businesses, properties, and assets are exposed to the different types and levels of the risk. So these include the risk of loss of life, health, assets, property, etc. That is the reason we want to see that our insured interest of the subject should be insured. With that, it is not always possible to prevent the unwanted event from the occurring. Financial world has developed products that protect the individual and the business against such losses by the compensating with the financial resources. Insurance is a financial product that reduces the calamities. So it will reduce the calamities. Yes, where we are. Yeah, reduce the financial resources. Insurance is a financial product that reduces or eliminates, not calamity, eliminates the cost of the loss or effect of loss caused by the different type of the risk. So that is the reason the importance of the insurance is must. So the insurance sector contributes significantly to the general economic growth of the nation providing the stability to the functioning of the business and generating the long-term financial resources for the individual projects. Among other things, insurance sector has encourages the virtue of the savings among the individuals and generates employment for the millions, especially in a country like India, where savings and employment are important. So, anybody wants to say anything? Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
My
Yes,
voice
sir.
is clear.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very clear, sir.
Very good, very good. Because today I am using the mobile data, not the Wi-Fi, because I am in somewhere Patel Gardens, Mancherial, and sitting in my car. Then I am delivering the lecture
Thank you so much, sir.
because if I don't deliver the lecture, I told you already that my food will not be digested. So let us understand the details how and why the insurance as a sector is a key development of any economy. Number one, it provides the safety and security to the individuals and business. Who will provide?
Insurance, sir.
Insurer will provide that thing. So insurance provides the financial support and reduce the uncertainty that individuals and a business face to every step of their life cycle. It provides an ideal risk mitigation mechanism against the event that can potentially cause financial distress to the individuals and business. So, for instance, with the medical inflation growing at approximately 15% per annum, even a simple medical procedure costs enough to disturb the family's well calculated budget. But a health insurance would ensure the financial security for the family. In case of the business insurance, financial compensation is provided against the financial loss due to fire, theft, mishaps related to marine activities and other accident, etc. Yes, can you read the second bullet, that is the generate long-term financial resources? Anyone can unmute and read.
Generates long-term financial resources. The insurance sector generates funds by way of premiums from millions of policies.
Millions of the policy holder. It is the millions of the policy holder. That is the point. Due to the long-term nature of these funds, these are invested in the building long-term infrastructure assets such as roads, ports, power plants, dams, etc. that are significant to nation building. Employment opportunities are increased by big investments leading to the capital
Economy.
formation in the economy. So that is the long term. What are the long term? What are the long term activities?
Insurance long-term.
Roads, ports, power plants, dams. It is a long term investment. Are you following me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
appreciate. Next bullet is promotes economic growth. How it promotes economic growth? Let us see. The insurance sector makes
Insurance.
a significant impact on the overall economy by mobilizing the domestic saving. Because every person saves something, so that mobilized saving, pooled up money, they will invest and give the loan to the companies. The company will establish it and they give the employment and produce will be there of the company that will be sold either to the every state, including the other country, then the foreign currency would get it. So insurance turn accumulates the capital into the productive investments. Insurance also enables the mitigation of the losses, financial stability, and promotes the trade and commerce activities, though result in to sustainable economic growth and development. Thus, insurance plays a crucial role in the sustainable growth of an economy. Yes, read the provide support to families during the medical emergencies. Anyone can unmute and read.
Provide support to families during medical emergencies. Well-being of family is important for all, and health of family members is the biggest concern for most. From elderly parents to newborn children, medication and hospitalization play important role while ensuring well-being of families. Rising medical treatment costs and soaring medicine prices are enough to drain your savings if not well prepared. Anyone can fall victim to critical illness within the paralysis such as heart attack, stroke, cancer attack, cancer etc. Unexpectedly, insurance is a policy that protects individuals financially against different types of health risks. With a health insurance policy, an insured gets financial support in case of medical emergency.
We cannot predict when the typhoid will be infected to us. We cannot predict when the micron will be infected to us. The untoward incident would be there at the time. If you have the health insurance, it will be covered by it, at least to some extent, where a person could not be on the roads. So that is the health insurance. One should have to make it out. It is must now in this juncture. It spreads the risk. Insurance facilitates the moving of a risk of loss from the insured to the insurer. The basic principle of the insurance is to spread risk among a large number of the people. A large population get insurance policies and pay premium to the insurer. Whatever a loss occurs, it is compensated out of the corpus of the funds collected from the millions of the policyholders. So, can you say that what did you understand by the spread risk? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
What did you understand by the spread risk? If you know it, you tell me. If you don't know it, you say pass on.
Pardon, sir.
Spread risk. If one insured got injured, he will be compensated from the pool of the amount which the insurer gathered from the policyholders. How many policyholders are there? Millions of the policyholders are there. So the risk will be spread on the millions. From that amount, the compensation will be paid, or the agreed amount will be paid. To whom?
Insurer, sir.
The pooled amount which he got from the policyholders will be given to the person who got untoward incident risk. That insured, it will be given. That means the amount will be given to the victim insured. Repeat.
Yes, sir.
Repeat.
Insured is the victim, sir.
The amount collected from the policyholders, which are in the millions, would be given to the victim insured. That means the risk is spreaded over the risk is spreaded over the
Insurer, sir.
policyholders, nothing but insured. Who are the spreading the all the amount? On the policyholders. How many are there?
Policyholder.
How many are there? Millions of the policyholders are there.
Millions of people.
Millions of people.
That means the risk will be spread over the other policyholder. For one or two policyholders who got victimized. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That is 100 మంది దగ్గర వసూలు చేసిన అమౌంట్ ఒక ఇద్దరు ఎవరైతే ఇచ్చారో వాళ్ళకి ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది. అంటే రిస్క్ 100 మంది మీద స్ప్రెడ్ అయి ఉంది అన్నట్టు అర్థం. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So insurance is an important part in the financial sector that contributes significantly to the economy of a country. Insurance market contributes to the economic growth as a financial intermediary and also helps in managing the risk more effectively. This piece of research work made an attempt to examine the relationship between the insurance and economic growth in India, considering the state level data and contributing to the existing literature. The data collected for the 25 states of India and covers the time period of the 2000 to 2015. Then endogenous growth model with a modified Cobb-Douglas production functions is used. So what I want to say is insurance money collected from the policy holders will be given to the industry for the investment on the interest basis. That's why money will be rolled and they will get the profit. And the profit, whatever they get, even the pooled amount, would they collected from the millions of the policyholder will be spread over the risk to the millions of the policyholder and will be given compensation to the victim from that amount, pooled amount. Financial sector of a country are considered as the vital part of its economic growth. An effective and well-developed financial system helps to increase the productivity and subsequently the economic growth. Insurance is an important part in the financial sector and that contributes significantly to the economy of the country. Insurance market contributes to the economic growth as a financial intermediary and also helps in managing the risk more effectively. Who said? Who said? Ward and Zurburgeg, Burgeg, I think 2000 within parentheses. Moreover, insurance contributes to the promotion of the financial stability, facilitation of the trade and commerce, management of the risk is an effective manner, mobilization of the savings, allocation of the capital in an effective way, and also it acts as a complement of government security program. Skipper 2001 within parentheses. These are all the people, those who are exponent in the insurance role in the financial development of the country. So insurance can be broadly categorized as a, yes, insurance is broadly categorized as a, anyone? We discussed the comparative study of the both insurance. What is the comparative study? We studied it in a tabular form. Yes. If you don't know, please say pass on. If you don't know, please say pass on. Rubina, unmute and give me the answer.